independent contractor, or employee. In Pennsylvania, this distinction is more than just a label. It's a legal minefield with significant consequences for both businesses and workers. Understanding PA independent contractor laws is crucial for proper classification, tax compliance, and avoiding costly penalties. Pennsylvania defines an independent contractor as someone who controls how their work is performed and operates an independent business. This classification offers several benefits to employers, including avoiding unemployment compensation payments, certain liabilities, and payroll taxes. However, these advantages come with strict legal requirements and potential risks. Pennsylvania applies rigorous tests to differentiate employees from independent contractors. Courts consider factors such as the nature of the work, who supplies the necessary equipment, and the level of financial independence. The key is determining whether the individual has control over their work and operates a truly independent business. Under Pennsylvania's unemployment compensation law, a two-part test is used. First, the worker must be free from the employer's control in performing their work. Second, they must be customarily engaged in an independently established trade or business. Failing to meet both criteria could result in employee classification, making the employer liable for unemployment compensation taxes. Workers' compensation is another critical area. Generally, independent contractors are not covered by PA workers' compensation laws. However, misclassified workers or those who can prove significant employer control may be eligible for benefits. This highlights the importance of proper classification from the outset. Tax obligations differ significantly for independent contractors. They are responsible for paying self-employment taxes, including Social Security and Medicare contributions. Contractors must file quarterly estimated taxes, maintain detailed records, and potentially register for a PA sales tax license if providing taxable goods or services. For businesses, proper documentation is essential. This includes using Form 1099 MISC to report payments to contractors and ensuring these forms are filed with the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue on time. Additionally, Pennsylvania mandates that independent contractors maintain at least $50,000 in liability insurance. Misclassification of workers can lead to severe consequences. Employers may face penalties, back taxes, and legal action under Pennsylvania labor laws. They could be required to pay unpaid payroll taxes, Social Security contributions, and Medicare taxes. Moreover, misclassified workers might be entitled to back wages, overtime pay, and unemployment benefits. To ensure compliance with PA independent contractor laws, businesses should use clear, written contracts that outline the independent nature of the work. Avoid micromanaging contractors and ensure they have their own tools and equipment. Verify that workers operate genuinely independent businesses and maintain separate finances. Independent contractors themselves must take steps to protect their status. This includes maintaining business licenses, keeping personal and business finances separate, and actively marketing their services to multiple clients. Understanding and adhering to Pennsylvania's independent contractor laws is essential for both businesses and workers. By carefully considering classification criteria, maintaining proper documentation, and staying informed about legal requirements, you can navigate this complex landscape and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, when in doubt, consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure full compliance with PA independent contractor laws.